Welcome to the tutorial video on creating your group hold reservation at Daniel Springs Camp. We will begin on the home page of www.danielspringscamp.com. We will click on the Events tab and scroll down to the chosen camp that you would like to request spots for and click Register here. Now, once on the registration page, we will scroll down to where it says I am a church group leader, and we'll click the Reserve Spots Now green button. This will take us to the church group page, and we'll scroll down to step 2, and we will select the green/brown button that says I have watched the video and am ready to register. This will redirect us to the church group portal through CampWise. The church group portal will allow you to create a new account or to log into your previously created account. It's important that duplicate accounts are not made for your church or yourself. If you need assistance accessing your account, please call the Daniel Springs office to receive your username and a temporary password. Also, please note that if your church is sending a group to more than one camp, you may call us here at the office to add an additional contact person. If the individual contact who registered your group last summer is no longer at your church, please call the office to have the contact person changed on your account. To get started, we're going to click Create New Account. This page is for the contact person to fill out their personal information. So you will fill in your first and last name, create a username, and a password that is between 8 to 14 characters long. Please do not use a hashtag. Your email address, and then select a security question and provide the answer and your phone number, and hit Save and Next. Now we'll be filling in the information for your church or organization. So please put the full name of your church, you may also enter the website, and then please choose if you are a BMA church or a non-BMA church. You may also enter any tax-exempt information. And then for the primary address type, please select billing address. You will enter your billing information. Please do not use autofill. When you enter your zip code, it typically will populate your city for you. So please do not enter the city if it does pre-populate it for you. And then you will scroll down, select your phone type, and enter your phone number. Choose your email type and enter your email. And hit Save and Next. Now, you'll notice that under Create Contact for the organization, that it's already pulled in my first and last name. If you as the contact person will also be bringing the group to camp and attending, please make sure that you enter your date of birth. And then choose male or female, and also designate what kind of contact you are. For the primary address, you may choose either to put your personal address, your home address. I would still select it as billing address, or you can select use organization address, phone, and email, and it will pull in the information that you entered for your church. And if none of that needs to be changed, you'll hit save and next. Now, it will ask you, would you like to create an event at this time? You're going to hit OK, and you're going to hit go under group hold event. For most camps, you will be doing this 4 times. You're going to select your session. So we're selecting preteen camp. And we're going to be bringing both boy and girl campers and a male sponsor and a female sponsor. So we're going to start by choosing preteen male camper. And we have 5. So we're going to put in 5. We're going to check paying in full because payment is due at the time of spot request. And then we're going to scroll down. There's nothing else that we need to enter until the primary contact. And we're going to choose our name under primary contact and hit save and next. We're going to go down to group hold events, and you'll see that the preteen male camper spots have been requested. You're going to add event, select preteen, do preteen female camper. We also have 5 young ladies coming. We're going to hit pay in full, scroll down and add the contact, hit save and next. We're going to do this 2 more times to add our sponsors. We have 1 female sponsor coming. Save and next. And now we'll enter our last one for our male sponsor. Now, you will note that we do have some additional options on here. If you have a sponsor who needs to bring their child that does not fit into the age range of the programming, if you have been approved by the office to bring them, you will use the preteen sponsor child over age, the preteen sponsor child under age, or the preteen littlest camper in order to register them. If you have any questions on those spots, please don't hesitate to contact the office. All right, this will request all of our spots now. So we've requested 5 male campers, 5 female campers, 1 female sponsor, and 1 male sponsor. You'll note that under the financial section, it shows a 0 balance due. But the way that our system works is that you create a balance for your church that your individual registrations will pull from. So we're going to make payment. You'll also note it does not pull in the amounts for you. You will have to enter those yourself. So since we have entered 5 male camper spots, we'll do 5 times $190. because right now it is during regular registration time. So for five at $190, it will be $950. And it'll be the same thing for our females. For our adult sponsors, it will be $190 plus $10 for their annual required background check and $4 for their training video if they did not complete one last summer. So for our female sponsor, she did her video last summer, so hers is going to be $200. Our male sponsor did not do a video last summer, so his is going to be $204. You will see right here that it says payment amount greater than balance. Please ignore that because we are creating a credit in the system for your church members to pull from. You'll notice up here that it says total payment amount due is $2,304. Hit Save and Next, and then it will take you to the payment screen. You may either enter your credit card information and enter your email address, double check it to make sure that you will receive a receipt, or you can enter your check information to do an e-check. Same thing, enter your email address, double check it, and then hit Save and Next. And then it will take you back to the main screen. So at this time, you have requested your spots. The next step is to allow the office time to process your request. Our office staff may need 24 to 48 hours to email you with your unique group hold code. Unfortunately, the system is not automatic and we must physically go in and create your unique group code. We will email you your group code that you can then send out to your adult sponsors and camper parents. They will then log into our camper portal through our website to individually register. Please feel free to call the Daniel Springs office and or click the Contact Us button up here if you run into any issues while you are doing the registration. Both the Daniel Springs office phone number and the toll-free number for the CampWise support office are located under the Contact Us near the top of the screen. The Daniel Springs Camp office staff are available Monday through Thursday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central, and Fridays until 4 p.m. The CampWise support is available Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. Eastern to 5:30 p.m. Eastern as they are in Virginia. We appreciate you and we look forward to seeing you this summer.